Hey Taya, I want to show you how to check all the feedback I leave on assignments. You go into grades, and then you go down to the assignment in question, which the one that you're asking about, I believe, is the draft introduction to Essay 1, which you got 8.5 out of 30 on. And this, I'm in my test student who doesn't have anything turned in, but there are three ways to get feedback. There's over here, if there's a little icon that stands for the rubric, and there's also another icon that stands for assignment notes. So there's two icons here if that indicate feedback. But if you click on the rubric icon, you will see now I'm in the assignment page right here in week 2. And the week 2 assignment page shows the rubric really clearly, right? It shows that you get 10 points for, in this case, the hook, 10 points for the background information, 10 points for the thesis. And the reason you only got 8 out of 5 is that you did not have a hook and you did not have a thesis. And I also indicate that in the notes I left on the assignment. To check the notes I leave on the assignment, you just click on the title. And then if there were a submission right here where my cursor is, it would say view feedback. You click on that, and then there's an expander, little expander arrow that will enlarge the screen. You'll be able to see all those comments. So that's how you check comments, and that's why you only got partial credit on that one.